We are parents of Raghav. My name is Satish Kumar.
I'm Hemlata and he's Sharvin, brother of Raghav.
Raghav is so passionate about sea animals. He knows over 300 sea animals' name. He learned by himself since age 2. But he simply uses Google Voice Assistant to learn most of the sea animals. And he follows...
Siri!
Yeah, Siri too. He follows Jonathan Bird YouTube channel to find more rare sea animals as well.
About a few months ago, he found many animals aggressively with lots of enthusiasm. There he didn't stop. He dived in deep learning about every animal, characteristics and its uniqueness. We are really proud of Raghav.
Even he knows some of the animals' name which Google could not find. He simply he follows Mini's YouTube channel and he learned there as well. Yeah, we are really proud of him, and he is trying to learn freshwater animals nowadays. Hope he find new species as well. We sincerely thank International Book of Records for recognizing Raghav and accepting his achievement. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm Raghav. I'm 5 years old. I'm going to name sea animals. Brittle star, greenwhite shark, pipefish, nurse shark, knifefish, sand life crab, Cicadas, weighty sea dragon, ocean sunfish, epic seal, calico crab, cement clownfish, jungle perch, blue octopus, colossal squid, southern stingray, queen triggerfish, loggerhead sea turtle, crab, dancing shrimp, blue spot stingray, clam, mandarin fish, viper fish, tiger shark, swordfish, sea ammonite, leafy sea dragon, cowfish, six-gill shark, finefish, snake eel, clown triggerfish, spotted jellyfish, flounder, chocolate chip starfish, hair frogfish, eel, bobbit worm, guitarfish, mantis shrimp, ring seal, anglerfish, rickfish, flashlight fish, haddock, leatherback sea turtle, stingray, anomalous colored, sea toad, goblin shark, horn shark, sarcastic finchen, giant clam, kelpfish, frogfish, sunder spine eel, big nose unicorn fish, street-ray dasselfish, spiny butterfly ray, leopard torpedo, butterfly fish, king crab, oyster, zebra shark, common eagle ray, basking shark, crocodile fish, giant cerebral octopus, red crab, red-lipped batfish, frilled shark, pilot fish, ichthyo jelly, Cheshire shark, spotted drumfish, diamond worm, trees butter crab, emperor penguin, sardines, moor chital, box jellyfish, angelfish, parrotfish, smooth hound, polar bear, spotted eagle ray, emperor angelfish, victor stingray, spotted eel, flying fish, electric eel, porcupine fish, hatchet fish, firefly squid, common stingray, striped sea catfish, goby fish, shark, penguin, monkey eel, sea urchin, giant squid, axolotl, lanternfish, cuttlefish, yellow stingray, sea otter, ammonite, moor eel, elephant seal, paddlefish, spiny lobster, beluga whale, burleye, jinto penguin, tiger stingray, grouper fish, zebrafish, pufferfish, shrimp, garden eel, krill, sea snail, narwhal, octopus, hammered shark, manatee, eyefish, leopard shark, dumbo octopus, jackfish, star shark, sea slug, dolphin, whale shark, walrus, nautilus, leopard stingray, unicorn fish, sea snake, scorpion fish, hammer crab, vampire squid, yellow boxfish, grouper eel, turtle, sea sponge, yellow tang, tilefish, prawn, clownfish, blue tank, horseshoe crab, electric ray, squid, jewelfish, manta ray, catfish, dugong, salmon, oarfish, fatute, sea cucumber, killer whale, mako shark, glassfish, tuna, black spot torpedo, stingray, big eye fish, bony fish, big pillet squid, marine iguana, blue whale, lionfish, jellyfish, common torpedo, giant isopod, sperm whale, humpback whale, piranha, mussel, box crab, lobster, seal, ribbon eel, triggerfish, rabbitfish, wrasse-fish, barracuda, lemon shark, carpet shark, x-ray fish, needlefish, sunstar, mackerel, spider crab, gray whale, seahorse.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, 1 in a million.